So I'm using Visual Studio Community Edition 2015, and there's multiple ways to open up a GitHub repository. One of them is you just go to the GitHub repository page, and you can press clone or download, and then press open in Visual Studio, which is quite handy. Another way, which I'm going to actually do, is you go here and press open from source control. And you can get the same dialog box by going to Manage Connections or View Team Explorer, but let's do this, open from source control. And that'll open up Team Explorer, and I'm going to log into my GitHub account. So I'm going to go connect. I'm going to log in. And then if you already have existing Git repositories locally or on connected to using GitHub, they'll appear here, but this will be my first. So I'm going to go clone. And I'm going to clone my website project. All right, and then it will say your project has been cloned successfully, and you can open an existing project or solution. So right now I have it locally, and here's my GitHub. So if I want to open the solution, you just double click here. And now we're under home, and I can open the solution that exists inside of it. So I'm going to double click that. And it will open the solution. So let's say I want to go just to my home page here. And maybe I want to change one thing. Maybe I decided, okay, this lang attribute is unnecessary. So I'm going to remove that. Then I'm going to press changes because I just made a change. And it'll want to know who you are in GitHub. I'm just going to press save. You should put in your GitHub credentials, but that'll be fine. And then you enter your GitHub commit message, and I'm going to say removed lang attribute. And then you can press commit all, but I'm going to do commit and push, and you'll see it all happen at once. So committed it, and now it's pushing it. And then we'll say successfully pushed to origin master. We could just double check. Now if we go to commits, you can see, sure enough, I got this removed lang attribute. And if I gave it my GitHub credentials in a better way, it'd look more like that, but that'll be fine. Now, let's say somebody on another computer, or you on another computer, makes a different change, and you want to synchronize that. Edit this file, and let's say also this character set, we don't need that either. Actually, we don't need this entire meta tag. So I'm going to remove that as well. And I'm going to say removed char set tag, and I'm going to commit that. Now, if I go back to my Visual Studio, if I go to sync and then press fetch, I'm going to fetch instead of pull, then I can see, oh yeah, there was this commit that we didn't have. You can now double click on that, and you can revert to it, but I would recommend going reset, and then you can do mixed or hard. I tend to do hard if you don't have any changes that you want to keep. And you press OK, and you can see that tag disappears. And we're up to date. And just to double check that, let's say you go back to sync or a pull, and you're all up to date. And then add more, pull more, add more, pull more, and that's all you need to do.